Hello, welcome back to Facebook software channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to auto-comment with link Facebook post. In this tool, you can auto-comment, auto-post, auto-add friend, do everything you need on Facebook with only one click. Now, I will show you how to auto-comment with this tool. First, create the script. Select the number of posts you want to comment on. Select the reaction. You can choose whether to share this post on your wall or not. Compose the content you want to comment on. Set the photo folder directly. Finally, choose the accounts and press start.